Hi! Today we're going on a little time travel journey through crochet history, because I'm going to show you how to crochet a Winnie the Pooh ear, 2 different ways. We'll start with a vintage method that was super common back in the day, and that is used in this pattern. And then I'll show you the modern amigurumi ring method that we all love now. By the end, you'll see exactly why crochet has changed, and how you can get the neatest, cutest ear possible. So, back in vintage crochet patterns, people often made their rounds differently than we do now. Instead of starting with a magic ring, the instructions would say something like, CH2, then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second chain from the hook. Make 2 chains, turn, and work 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then work another single crochet into the same stitch, repeating until you have a total of 6 single crochets. We will be working in continuous rounds. So place a stitch marker, or a piece of contrasting yarn, to mark the beginning of the round. For round 2, make 6 increases by working 2 single crochets into each stitch around, 6 times. Here's what happens. See that little hole in the center? Yeah, that's just how it was. The only way to close it up was to grab your tapestry needle and stitch it shut. Even after that, you can still see where it was. That's just the nature of the vintage method. And honestly, I kind of love it for the history. But these days, especially with amigurumi, we like things tight and closed. That's where the magic ring comes in. Here's how it works. Loop your yarn like this, hold it, and crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the ring itself. Then you pull it tight, and look, the center closes perfectly. No gaps, no stitching it shut afterward. Nice and neat. The first round is really the only difference between the 2 methods. After that, for both vintage and modern, we keep working in spirals. That means no chain at the beginning of the round, no slip stitch at the end. Just keep going around and around, literally creating a spiral. Here's the best part. You can totally replace the vintage 2-chain method in any old pattern with the modern amigurumi ring. You'll get the same shape, just with a nicer center. If you enjoyed this little crochet history lesson and tutorial, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves vintage patterns. All the details are in the info box below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting!